Welcome to another video in the MallincamSky series. Today we're going to look at how to uninstall the MallincamSky software. Now you may have been on the user group and Rock has informed us that there's a new updated version of MallincamSky. Now before installing that, the first thing we should do is actually uninstall the old version. Now you may also have a DirectShow and an ASCOM version running as well. So I'll show you how to uninstall those versions. Now the first thing we should do is, if MallincamSky is running, just stop the program and then unplug your camera. Now most people uninstall by just simply going to the control panel, and I'll open that up and go to uninstall. Click on that and you scroll down and it's alphabetical, and you should have normally Mallincam, DirectShow and the MallincamSky driver, but I'm finding that for some reason on my machine that I'm only seeing the Mallincam DirectShow, not the MallincamSky program. Now you can uninstall the Mallincam DirectShow by simply left clicking on that and hitting the uninstall, but I'm going to show you an alternative technique that will allow us to uninstall both versions very simply. So let's just close this thing down. I'll get rid of our nice little message. Now on your desktop you're going to have your MallincamSky icon. So just right click that icon and it will open up a new window, and you'll notice there's a whole bunch of selections. But what we want to do is go right to the file location. So left click on the file location and it will open up the file, and it tells me that I'm in this x64 because I'm running a 64-bit version of MallincamSky. Yours may say x86, but it doesn't matter which version it says. Now these are the programs, but you notice there's no program here that says uninstall. So just kick back and choose the MallincamSky, left click on that, and it opens up the root directory for this, and you can see this is where the 64-bit version and the 86-bit version, and this is all the cool stuff that MallincamSky needs to run, but Mallincam has provided an uninstall program. Now I'm going to click this. Now the first window that will pop up you won't see on the video because it's a root video, and it just basically asks for permission, and you just basically say proceed. So let's double left click on this button. You'll hear it pop up and it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Just say yes. And then it'll pop up another window which says, hey, this is where this stuff is. And you just go to the uninstall, click uninstall, and it says, dude, I'm done. So click on finish, and it automatically takes you back one folder to the Mallincam DirectShow if you have Mallincam DirectShow installed. If you don't, you are done. Then it is just time to reboot your computer. But since I have DirectShow, so I'll open up this folder by double left clicking, and there's the uninstall for DirectShow. I'll double click this, ask for permission. It says this is where it's uninstalled, so I say uninstall and finish. And we are done. It is actually uninstalled both for my machine here, the program and the DirectShow drivers. You do not need to worry about uninstalling the ASCOM drivers, for when you install the ASCOM drivers, ASCOM itself will automatically uninstall. Now before reinstalling the new updated versions, the first thing you should always do is restart your computer. This will just clear out all the registry entries, and then all you need to do is download and install the updated versions. I do have a video available on how to install MallincamSky, so feel free to watch that. And as usual, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to log on online to the group and pose the question. One of us will get back to you to help you work through your problems. So again, thank you for watching.